Hey everybody, here's our do now. What describes the name of each section in the periodic table in picture A? Yep, that's right. This group we would call the metals. This group we would probably call our metalloids because we're looking at the group right here. C and D, very good. We would call those nonmetals. What's one property or characteristics of those elements? Yeah, a lot of you said for metal shiny, so a nonmetal would be not shiny, and a metalloid, remember, it sits on the fence. It could be either or. So today we're going to continue reviewing practice periodic table. We'll be labeling 8-man, filling in Bohr models, recognizing elements that are the same. If you're at home, you can do this at home. You can try and complete these here. I'm going to post the link in Schoology where you can pick a few off the chart and you can look at those. But you can do these just so you have an idea of what we're talking about and how to do those. Draw the little rings. Remember, 2 electrons in the inner shell, no more than 8 in number 2, and that's where your valence are found on the very outside. As an exit ticket, the periodic table is organized into groups and periods. Remember, groups are up and down, periods are left and right. The characteristics of a group is it conducts heat, it's chemically reactive, and has 2 valence electrons. Well, our friends who have 2 valence electrons are our friends who sit up in group 2, so that's why they have 2 valence. They are metals. So that would be, my friend, let's see, not lithium, because lithium is over. It would not be, let's see, we have calcium. Calcium could do that. That's in group 2. Cadmium is not, and fluorine is not a metal. So our best answer would be B. All right, everybody, have a great day. We're going to have that test tomorrow, work on that stations review. Bye.